One of the things that our students have in common, no matter where they come from or what their background, is that they really want to see a change in food policy, and they want to see how they can make that change by using the skills that they get from the MSc in food policy. I'm Dr. Rebecca Wells, and I'm the Programme Director of the MSc in food policy here at City, University of London. The MSc in food policy is, as far as we know, the only MSc in food policy in the world, and that's what makes it unique. I've been in academia since I came to City to study my PhD in 2011. Before then, I was a BBC producer working on mainly radio programmes looking at food in all aspects of food and food production, food consumption, food history. Students studying the MSc in food policy full-time will take 2 modules in their first term from September to December, and those 2 modules cover food and public policy and food, culture and society. Then in January you take 2 further modules, political economy of food and food, public health and the environment, before the 3rd term's work, which focuses on your dissertation. Students come up with their own topic, and then they're matched with a supervisor who can help them and guide them through that topic. And we'll work with you to look at the literature, looking at the background of what's been already written on that topic, and then looking at research methods. So thinking about how you're going to undertake the research, what methodology are you going to use, how are you going to gather data, and then finally thinking about writing up your dissertation, which you then present at the end of that module. One of the things that's really exciting about working in food policy is there's always something new to think about, something new to discuss and debate, but also there's so much work to be done in order to change the food system. We know there are so many issues connected with the food system: obesity, environmental change, food poverty, food inequalities, things that we really want to make a change with food policy in order to improve the lives of people around the world. This programme is open to both face-to-face students and distance learning students, and that's a great opportunity for students from around the world to come and experience the teaching at City. Students can get academic support from a number of different people. There's their personal tutor who they can talk to about pastoral care or any personal issues they might be facing. They can get support from the careers team who can guide them on careers advice, from anything from CVs to interview techniques. The academic staff who can guide students on their assignments, giving them feedback on how they've done on the programme. Students graduating from the MSc in food policy go on to work in a variety of different sectors within the food system. They can work in government, some students go on to work in the food industry, and other students have gone on to work in NGOs or food advocacy roles. And we have a fantastic network of alumni who you can interact with during some of our careers sessions, where we bring alumni back to talk about their careers and how they got to where they are today. By coming to do this course, you'll be able to tap into both the research that we're doing, which is at the real cutting edge of food policy, and the expertise of the staff who'll be teaching you. One of the things I'm really passionate about is making change in food policy and making the food system better, and I can't wait to start working with students so that we can take that journey together.